Chicken sticky rice over lotus leaf is a classic Cantonese dish. It's one of my favorite ways to eat sticky rice, and it's about to become yours too. Hi all my foodies, it's me again, CiCi. So I previously made chicken sticky rice in lotus leaf. A lot of you really enjoyed the recipe, and I'm really happy about that. And some of you also asked me if there's an easier way to make this recipe. So here I am today sharing with you another version which is a lot easier but with the same intense flavors. Chicken sticky rice over lotus leaf. I'm sure you're gonna love this. So first, we're gonna rehydrate the lotus leaf in water for overnight. And let it marinate for about 20 minutes. And now let's slice the Chinese sausage into about 1/4 inch rings. In the same pan, add the vegetable oil and put in the chicken pieces. and cook over high heat for about 3 minutes until medium. Any other type of leaves instead of lotus leaf? The answer is yes. You can use any type of leaves that you find in your regional area. For example, banana leaves is a very popular type of leaves in Southeast Asia. But at the same time, you have to know that this dish will not be called chicken sticky rice over lotus leaf because it is actually chicken sticky rice over banana leaves. And also, you will not have the aroma of the lotus leaf, but you will have the aroma of banana leaves instead. It's also quite delicious. So if you want to give it a try, let me know how it goes. And then we're gonna also spread the chicken and other toppings over